production water is given a coarse cleansing after primary separation of oil and water and pumped directly to sea. Such water, still containing fractions of oil, gas, particles and various chemicals, will be pumped to the Epcon plant for a final cleansing. The Epcon plant consists of a number of Epcon cleansing modules, dimensioned to fit the actual cleansing demand. Steam boilers are included to produce the steam necessary for the backwashing and regenerating of spent Epcon modules. Remote control and monitoring is made simple with a fully automatic PLS control system. Inside the Epcon module, 3 different cleansing processes happen in sequence. First, there is a process of flotation. At this point, the major volumes of free oil and chemicals are removed from the outer chamber and pumped directly to a collection tank. At this stage, one also achieves a removal of saturated gas bubbles. The next step is a mechanical filtration by means of pumping the water through the finely meshed strainer cylinders. At this point, there will be a build-up of oil and sludge into a filter cake on the outside of the strainer cylinder. The last step is a final polish of the water through the Epcon filter medium situated in between the 2 strainer cylinders. At this stage, particles down to a size of less than 1 micron is removed. Such particles may include heavy metals and radioactive matter. Also at this point, there is an absorption of remaining free oil and finely dispersed hydrocarbons. Normally, each module is regenerated once per 24 hours. First step to achieve this, the water is drained out of the flotation chamber and pumped to the collection tank. Next step is backwashing with superheated steam under high pressure in order to remove the pollutants trapped inside the filter medium. The resultant backwashing water is also pumped to the collection tank. The complete process takes about 2 to 3 minutes and is performed in such a way that the treatment process is maintained. From the collection tank, where one achieves a gravimetric separation of oil and water phases, the water phase is pumped back to the Epcon cleansing module, whereas the oil phase is taken care of separately. The Epcon technology results in large savings for the oil production offshore. This is due to the fact that the system makes it largely unnecessary to use emulsion-breaking chemicals, flocculants, etc. to achieve good separation of oil and water phases. This situation will also reduce the pollutant effluence of chemicals into the sea considerably. Compared with traditional cleansing technologies, the Epcon solution offers considerable savings with respect to space requirement, investment and operating costs. More than 15 years of research, testing and development lies behind this unique cleansing technology. The Epcon solution is especially well suited to situations where large volumes of polluted water has to be cleansed quickly at a limited space. The enormous cleansing capacity, together with the fully automatic and secure operation and coupled with low operating cost, make the Epcon technology unique in the world. The cleansing capability assures the compliance with new effluent standards, from today's 40 ppm down to 5 ppm of oil in water. The ultimate result of this is longer life to existing oil fields. The most important gain of the Epcon technology, besides the economic one, is nature's gain.